Good morning, children. Today we'll start with a new topic, that is this, that, these, those. So this is our topic for today. Children, we use this, that, these, those when we want to point whether something or someone is near us or far from us. Near means pass, okay? And far means what? Far means dur. Now children, first of all, I will tell you the use of this, okay? आपको पता है हम this कब use करते हैं? We use this to point one person, place, animal or thing which is near us. Okay? हम this use करते हैं जब हम एक person, place, animal और thing को point कर रहे होते हैं, and that too वो कहाँ होती है? वो चीज़ हमारे पास होती है, near होती है. Okay? So we use this to point something which is near us. Okay? Again I'm telling, we use this to point one person, place, animal or thing that is near us. Okay? Now look here, children. The things in the picture are near you. अभी मैंने आपको near का meaning बताया था. Near means pass. The things in the pictures are near you. Look at the pictures and write sentences like this is a or an dash. Okay, children? So we have to write sentences using this is, a or an, whatever the picture is. Now the first picture is of a lion. Okay? एक lion है और हमारे पास में है. Right? So the sentence will be like, this is a lion. Okay, children? I told you ना कि हम this कब use करते हैं? To point out one person, place, animal or thing that is near us. Okay? So जो चीज़ें one हैं और हमारे पास में हैं, उनके लिए हम this use करेंगे. Okay? So here lion is one. So we are using this. This is a lion. Next picture is of an egg. So we will write, this is an egg. Next picture is of an elephant. This is an elephant. Next, ice cream. Can you see ice cream here? Yes. So this is an ice cream. Next picture is of a peacock. So we will write, this is a peacock. Okay, children? So you have seen how we use this to point whether something. So children, this is used to point one person, place, animal or thing that is near us. Okay? Now look at these pictures. Now these pictures are not near us. They are far from us. Okay? ये pictures हमारे पास में नहीं हैं. They are far from us. हमसे दूर हैं. Although they are also one. Right? But they are not near us. They are far from us. So children, do you know वो चीज़ें जो हमसे दूर हैं? जब हम ऐसी चीज़ों को पॉइंट करते हैं जो हमसे दूर होती हैं, वन होती हैं बट हमसे दूर होती हैं, फॉर देम व्हाट डू वी यूज? वी यूज दैट. ओके? सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज यूज्ड टू पॉइंट one person, place, animal or thing that is far from us. Okay? That is not near us. जो हमसे दूर हैं. See this question, children. The things in the pictures are not near you. So in this exercise, they are saying that the things in the pictures are not near you. Okay. Look at the pictures and write sentences like that is a or an whatever the picture is. Okay. So अभी आपको ये याद रखना है that we use that to point out one person, place, animal or thing that is far from us. Okay. Now see, this picture is of an aeroplane and this aeroplane is not near us. It is far from us. So we will say that is an aeroplane. जब हम पॉइंट करते हैं किसी ऐसी चीज़ को जो हमसे दूर है तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? दैट. ओके. वो जब हम पॉइंट करते हैं किसी ऐसी चीज़ को जो वन है और हमसे दूर है तब हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? दैट. सो वी विल राइट दैट इज एन एरोप्लेन. ओके. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ एन ant. So we will write that is an ant. Look at the next picture. The next picture is of a horse. One and not near us, far from us. So we will write that. That is a horse. Okay, children? Next picture is of a table. Can you see? Now, what will we write? We will write that is a table. Okay? And the last picture is of an owl. So here we will write that is an owl. So children, have you noticed when we use this and when we use that? We use this to point one person, place, animal or thing that is near us. Okay? And that is used to point one person, place, animal or thing that is not near us, that is far from us. Okay? Now here also they have given that this is used for a person, place or thing that is near us. ठीक है? That is used for a person, place or thing that is far from us. Far means dur. Near means pass. Then this is used for pointing one person, place or thing. And that is used for pointing one person, place or thing. So this and that, both of them, they are used for pointing one person, place, animal or thing. Okay, children? Now we have two more words. These and those. Now children, these is used to point something which is near us. Okay? And more than one. Okay? जब हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं ऐसी चीज़ों की तरफ जो एक से ज़्यादा हैं, मोर देन वन है, ओके, एंड दे आर नियर अस, देन वी यूज दीज. ओके? एंड सिमिलरली दोज इज यूज्ड फॉर अगेन things which are for pointing things which are more than one, but they are far from us. So let me tell you once again that we use these to point out things or persons or places which are more than one and they are near us. Okay? And we use those for pointing things which are more than one and far from us. Okay, children? Now look at, fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. Now आपको इस पिक्चर को अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करना है. Then you have to fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. So dash is my room. Now what will we use here? This. Okay? This is my room. I work and sleep in it. I like to draw. I use dash crayons and dash color pencils to make my drawings. I use these crayons. हमने these क्यों यूज करा है यहाँ पर? क्योंकि crayons, as you can see, they are near this boy. ओके ये पास में है इस बॉय के, इसलिए हमने these यूज करा है यहाँ पर. एंड दे आर मोर देन वन. सो आई यूज these crayons and these color pencils to make my drawings. Now color pencils, they are also placed here, right? So again we have used these here. When I complete a drawing, I hang it on dash wall. Now where is the wall? Is it near the boy or is it far away from the boy? Far from the boy, right? So we will use, now we are talking about one thing, a drawing. Okay? So यहाँ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? जब हम एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और वो हमसे दूर है, so we will use that. When I complete a drawing, I hang it on that wall. Okay? I have made all dash drawings on the wall. Now here the boy is saying कि ये सारी पेंटिंग्स जो हैं ये मैंने बनाई हैं. वो सारी पेंटिंग्स जो वॉल पर हैं वो मैंने बनाई हैं. I have made all dash drawings on the wall. Now again, the wall is far from the boy and the drawings are more than one. So कोई ऐसी चीज जो दूर होती है और more than one है. For that what do we use? Those, right? So we will use those here. I have made all those drawings that on the wall. I have made all those drawings on the wall. I am fond of stories also. All dash books on the shelf are storybooks. Now where's the shelf? Far from the boy and the books are on the shelf. Okay, so what will we write here? And there are many, you can see many books here. Okay, so something which is more than one and far from us. What do we use for pointing such things? Those. So we will write those here. All those books on the shelf are storybooks. Can you see dash DVDs? They also tell stories. Now, can you see dash DVDs? Now where are the DVDs? Here on the table. Can you see these circular things here? They are the DVDs. Right? So children, they are near the boy or far away from the boy? Near the boy, right? And are they one or more than one? They are more than one. So when we point something which is more than one and near us, what do we use for pointing out such things? These. Okay, so we will write these. Can you see these DVDs? They also tell stories. Okay, children. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.